Hi, this is Emma from spindizzyfall, and today we're going to be doing a tour of the Mavi Factory in Turkey. Hey, we have just finished the tour of the Mavi Factory. It was pretty amazing. We went from the beginning, from when they cut the pattern, all the way to sewing the buttons, sewing the zips, sewing the belt loops, sewing the pockets, and then went through to all the dyeing and the spraying. I'm not sure if you saw, but the spraying of the red and the pink, it actually doesn't turn out pink, it fades the jeans, kind of like mine. So you can see that after the spray, that just distresses it, and then when they wash it, all the red comes out and it's just the distressing that remains. So that was pretty amazing. And then we went into the laser cutting, which was so cool. The laser cutting, and they cut us all special little signs into some denim, which I kept mine. It's amazing. Ooh, great. And then there was stone washing and bleaching and a whole lot of processes like drying and ozone, which takes out some of the pigment in the pockets where it needs it and stuff like that. So it was really amazing. The whole tour was just mind-blowing, the amount of work that goes into it. And they say that this factory can produce about 25 to 30,000 pairs of jeans a day, which is incredible. everyone has their own little job in the line, and they just keep passing the jeans down until they're finished. So that was pretty cool. Now we're going to lunch.